Hello everyone, let's now quickly see how to plot a graph on your graphic design calculator TI-84 plus CE. You can see over here y equals to button where it's written. Press that. You'll get various equations. You can plot one equation, you can plot multiple equations. Y1, say for example I take an equation 2 and you can select x, xt, theta, n, this button to get the x, and minus 5. So say this is my first example, first equation. I press graph button and now you can see a graph of that equation appears. Now this graph, if I want to zoom in, zoom out, to check out, I just need to press the zoom button. Okay, scroll down to zoom in number 2 or zoom out number 3. So if I want to zoom in, I'll scroll down to number 2, press enter, and now again I'll press enter to zoom in. So my graph is zoomed in and you will be able to see the graph onto my right hand side. Correct? Again, if you want to zoom out, go to zoom button, press number 3, select and enter, and again I'll press enter. You are zooming out and you can see a graph. Now in this graph, if I want to plot another graph, I'll again press y equals and scroll down to y2, and let's take a square equation. Say if I take x and then press the arrow up to select cubic equation, let's take a cubic polynomial, and then I select plus, again x square, right, and then minus 25x plus 3. So that's a cubic polynomial. Let's go to graph and let's see what kind of graph we can get. So you can see, let me zoom out and check what kind of graph am I getting. So I'll try to zoom out to have a better view, and I'm going to press enter. Okay, so you see the line graph, and now I can see my second graph appearing in red. So that's a crest and trough graph which is obtained, right? You want to erase it, go back and press the button clear. The equations get erased, press clear, and then you can select another equations to go back to your graph plotting. Thank you.